planning to write step 1 after May 14 or step 2 after May 7, here is what you need to know. The USMLE has launched a new software for both step 1 and step 2 CK. The good part is the length of the test will be the same and number of questions is also changed. So what has changed? The block structure. Now each block will have 20 questions and the block timer is reset to 30 minutes. And here is where it gets interesting. At Next Steps, we have launched a software that will allow you to practice up to 14 blocks for step 1 and 16 blocks for step 2 CK and even get a 3-digit score. Let me take you through the software. This is how the home page looks like. If you want to create a test, select all the subjects that you wanted to do and systems, and then the topics. Okay, and then in the number of questions you can create up to 20. Only one block will be created in the standard mode. Okay, so let me put 20 questions and it will create me a block of test for my practice. Now at the end of week, for example, if I have completed 3 systems and I want to take a test of 3 systems, I can go to the self-assessment mode over here, select the 3 systems that I've completed, for example biochem, cardiology and endocrine. Now here is what it gets even interesting. So I can do anywhere between 2 to 14 blocks. Okay, for example, if I select 10 blocks, it will give me 10 blocks of 20 questions each from the 3 systems that I have selected. So as you can see, 10 blocks, each block is having 30 minutes and the total test timer is 5 hours 44 minutes. Okay, so I can take the test and in the 5 hours 44 minutes and I can submit of the test. Once I've submitted, I can view my results over here in the self-assessment section, which will give me a 3-digit score of how my performance is and everything. Okay, and very important thing is the form structure. So here we have 4 forms of 14 blocks each. You can attempt any form which will have an actual timer, which is 8 hours, and also 7 hours block timers will be there, which will be set in 14 blocks with 30 minutes each. As you can see here, it's 8 hours is the total timer and there are 14 blocks over here. Okay, let me just start the test and it will give me 20 questions with a 30 minutes of timer. Okay, so once you've submit the block, then you can just finish off the block, then you can just submit it off. Once you've done everything, that's when you can just move to next block. Okay, so once you've done the whole form, here also it will give you a 3-digit score and also it will give you a performance analysis.